Want a fast, accurate PCB quote without endless back and forth? Here are the key materials to get ready first. They'll help factories understand your needs and give you a precise price. First, PCB design files are a must. The most common one is the Gerber file, which includes all layer details, circuits, soldering masks, silk screens, everything factories need to see the board's layout. If you have source files from design software like Altium Designer or Protel, those work too. Don't have full files? A clear PCB drawing works. Just make sure it marks the size, hole positions, and key circuit pads. Next, put together a basic specs list. Write down details like board size e.g. 100mm, 80mm, 6 mm, number of layers, single, double, or multi-layer. Base material FR4 is the standard for most projects. High-frequency boards might use Rogers. Copper thickness 1 ounce or 2 ounces is common. Soldering mask color green is typical, but black or white or blue are options. And any special processes like gold plating, hazel, or impedance control. These specs directly affect costs, so the more detailed, the better. If you have a sample or reference, share that too. An old PCB sample lets factories see the exact processes you need. Even a photo of a similar product works. Just add notes e.g. same as this phone PCB, but 10% smaller. It helps avoid misunderstandings about what you're looking for. Finally, tell them your quantity and lead time. Do you need 500 pieces for mass production, or 10 for prototyping? And when do you need them e.g. 30 days for delivery? Quantity affects pricing. Bulk orders often get discounts, and urgent lead times might add extra fees, so be clear upfront. Pro tip: package all these materials, files, specs list, photos into one folder and send it together. It saves time for both you and the factory. If you're unsure about specs like which base material to use, just ask. Factories can suggest options based on your project e.g. consumer electronics vs. industrial gear.